Hello, today again we are DPF cleaning. Actually, we have cleaned this DPF. It's the Ford Transit Connect. Now we are in the process of air drying the DPF. As you can see, we are pumping 200 degrees Celsius air through the DPF to dry it. We can change the settings. We can make it to 50, 300 degrees, and also we can change the time settings as well. This DPF has to be cleaned after washed, dried. If we didn't dry it, the water particles will block the DPF. This is a full service. We are specialized on diesel particulate filter, EGR, turbo issues, diagnostic issues, and also we are remapping center. You can reach us on 07 533 636 194. Thanks for watching.